Mal, and today we're going to be showing you how to install a SATA hard drive or a solid state drive on your PS3. Yep, that's right. And you may be wondering, why am I making this video? Well, very few reasons why people are going to find this video. One, the drive that they currently have is corrupted or broken or probably dead. And they are going to use this new drive to put in and get it working on. Second, it might be you want to upgrade your storage on there, and if you're getting an SSD, you might increase the life of it. Well, yeah, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Well, let's get through this process. First, make sure your PS3 is powered off, and unplug the setups. And then what you want to do is take that and place it somewhere to where it's safe at, like right here. But I most recommend on a table. Okay? Ooh, that almost fell. All right, we'll put this upside down. The first way you want to do is open this up, and then take this screw, wrong screw, and take this screw out. Just make sure you have the right one. Alright. Hold up. So once the screw is out, you're going to want to open this door over here where the drive is. And plus, I already have an empty one because the drive that I have is corrupted. So to give you some advice, you need to make sure your old drive is like out of here already. Like take that out and then making sure it's not there. So what you want to do next is put the drive right here, where the ports are facing right here, and hold up. There we go. Now it's right. Like that. So after you got your 4 screws, what you want to do is tighten them down. Right there, right there, right there, and right there. What you want to do now is put it in to where it can actually fit in. Hold up. Once that's done, you put that there. Take this little door over here and put it back on. And now you get your little screw and put it back on. Alright, once that screw is back on, you're going to want to close that. And now plug in your PS3. And before we get into the next step, you're going to want to make sure you have like a hard drive or a solid state drive or a flash drive that have, for example, that has the PS3 reinstallation update inside the drive. So if you want to know how to get that in here, just look up on tutorials on finding it, because I can't explain it at all. I just want to get through this video already. But before you put your flash drive, before you turn it on, you put the flash drive in here, plug it in here, and then I wonder if it's working. Okay, it's working. Now I only got the drive for reasons because it doesn't have a it doesn't have like some sort of working drive in here. But however, this is what you guys saw in one of my putting Cheetos on random objects video. The 6-axis controller. Hold up. So once that's there, you're gonna press the PlayStation button. Hold up. Once it comes under here, it'll say it can't run correctly. So now, once that drive is here and your PS3 controller is connected, you're gonna want to, you're gonna want to press select and start at the same time. Alright, if I do that, 3, 2, 1, it should be checking. Uh-oh. I actually ran into a problem that I need to rename my update file. So let's try this again. So let's see, it should be working this time. It should be working this time. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm still waiting. Oh, it's reading right now. Alright. Let's go. Alright, once it reaches right here, you're gonna want to do the same thing, but hold it for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it should start the process. Once it reaches right here, then as long as there's no errors, your drive is good. Alright, once it gets right here, you're gonna want to press the PlayStation button. Alright, now let's check it for the update data. Now what you want to do is go through all this. Now just get through all these user agreements and click accept. Now it should be installing that software straight into the drive. Alright, once it reboots, it should start up. How does my drive works? Let's see. Okay, it should come up with some sort of screen on there. Oh, it actually works. Alright, I should be able to set this up. Alright. Just get through all this setup and it should be working. And once you're done with that, it should reboot. As you see here, it actually worked. So no need for that drive anymore. Yeah, that's it. And now your PS3 is working. Thanks so much for watching. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out. Well, Talking the Mouse out. I hope to see you soon.